A beautiful, durable retaining wall is easy to build using the Marshall StoneScape Smart 6 retaining wall system, available from Hoffman Brothers. Marshall StoneScape is a simple rear lip system available in multi-face or straight-faced units and comes in a variety of colors. For this demonstration, we will be building a small gravity wall. Smart 6 can build up to a 4-foot high wall without reinforcements under ideal conditions. Start by excavating a trench about 14 to 16 inches wide. As a general rule, you should bury an inch of block per course of wall. With that in mind, the depth should be 6 inches plus the depth of the buried block. Fill the trench with 6 inches of crushed rock Class 5 or Class 2 base material. Using a plate compactor, compact the base material. It's important to install the blocks on the base course level from side to side, front to back, and with each other. As necessary, add or remove base material to level the blocks. Using a dead blow hammer also helps level the blocks. Breaking the lips on the blocks used in the base course will make it easier to install the blocks level. Marshall blocks are tapered from front to back to allow for installing a curved wall. When installing, make sure that the front corners of the blocks are tight to each other, leaving no gaps. If you wish to have a 90-degree corner, there are corner units available. When installing the next course, place the blocks so the seams are offset from the blocks below it. Pull the block forward until the rear lip is snug with the block below. Continue stacking in this manner, keeping the front corners of the block tight with each other as you go. You may need to cut blocks as you go. A diamond blade saw works well for this. As you install additional corners, keep in mind about the setback and place the corner units appropriately. It's best to use adhesive on the corner units to keep them in place. Backfill the first foot behind the wall with a 3/4 inch clear rock to create a drain zone. Behind that, backfill with soil. It's best to backfill every 1 or 2 courses. The tops of the Smart 6 units are solid and don't necessarily need to be capped. You may want to do so if you wish to conceal the V shape left by the taper. Marshall has 2 caps available. The straight-sided cap is deeper. The unicap has tapered sides which minimizes cutting, but there's always some cutting when using caps. You may install the front of the cap flush with the front of the wall, but most people prefer an overhang. Cut the caps as necessary to fit and use adhesive to hold them in place. Behind the top course and cap, you may backfill with soil if you wish to have a garden or grass behind the wall, or soil for part of the backfill and rock and mulch at the very top. These are general instructions for installing the Marshall Smart 6. When starting your project, be sure to get instructions more specific to your situation. Other brands of retaining wall systems may have different instructions and specifications. Follow your manufacturer's instructions for best results. In addition to the Smart 6, the Marshall line includes the Straight 8 and Mini 4. Hoffman Brothers carries the base materials, rock, as well as hand tools to help you complete your project. Check out our Landscape Supply Center located on Highway 65 just north of Viking Boulevard in East Bethel. You may also find us online at hoffmanbrotherssod.com.